In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add predecessors in Smartsheet to create task dependencies and build more accurate project schedules. Start by making sure your sheet includes start date and end date columns. Then right-click any column header and open Project Settings. Enable Dependencies to activate Smartsheet's project scheduling features. Once dependencies are enabled, Smartsheet automatically adds predecessors and duration columns to your sheet. To create a dependency, click a cell in the predecessors column and enter the row number of the task that must be completed first. For example, if task 2 depends on task 1, enter 1 in task 2's predecessor cell and press enter. Smartsheet will automatically link the tasks and update schedules based on those dependencies. If you're using Gantt view, you'll also see visual connection lines between related tasks. Using predecessors helps keep project timelines accurate, automatically adjusts schedules when changes occur, and makes it easier to manage complex projects.